Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have learned referencing and borrowing concept in Rust. In this video, we are going to learn how to do call by value and call by reference in Rust. It is a very important question that asks in interview, call by value and call by reference, that we are going to perform in Rust programming language. And we are also going to understand the difference between ampersand and ampersand mute for actual and formal parameter. So for that, it's a video number 23. So I say cargo new class number 23 and I say call by ref, and we go this project and we open this one. It's a very simple. So try to create a variable. I say let num1 equal to 10, let num2 equal to 20, simple, and I print this value, println, and I say the value of x equal to this and value of it is num1 and num2. So I say value of num1 equal to this and value of num2 is equal to this, and I pass here num1 and num2 like this. Then I create one function. I say fn, I say swap by value, and here I say let num1 of i32 and let num2 of i32 again, and here we have to remove let it here because it's a formal parameter, and here I need to make a swapping. So for that I say num1 equal to plus num2, and we have to change it in a mutable way, remember, because that's a value we have to change. So I say mute here, here also I say mute here, I have to change this also mute, so I say mute here, I say mute here, and I say remember num1 num2 because I am doing swapping without using third variable. So I say num1 equal to num1 minus num2, again I say num2 equal to num1 minus num2, that is, and I have to say here is num2 and here I say num1, and I print inside this it is num2, and I print inside this value again. So I make copy of this and I make paste of this. So I want to display this information and I want to call this function. I say swap by value and I pass here num1 num2. Again I want to display this information like this, simple program, call by value, and I say cargo run, and you see that we have here that we have not need mutability, so we can remove it also because we are not changing value of this, we are changing a value of this inside only. So you see that once again I run it and you see that we have a 10 20, then we have 20 10, inside this we have 20 10, then we have a 10 20. That means this is call by value and this value both are same, we are not changing the value of this. Now I try to convert it into call by reference. For that I create one more function just similar to this. So here I say call by ref, remember, and remember that call by ref, in place of this I called call by ref. Now I have to pass here the reference of this number. So once I am passing the reference of it, remember I have to convert this into reference data type also, you see, remember, and I want to modify this value. So I say mute here and here I say mute here, and remember that I need to remove from here because I want to make this reference as immutable. So I say mute like this, and here also it will generate error because we have to pass mutable reference to this. So I say I am passing mutable reference. It's a very tricky type of thing. So you see that we have passed a mutable reference, we receive here mutable reference, then we have to use here star because it is a reference, so we can't addition subtract of this. So we have to use asterisk for doing that we have to perform. Now you see the magic, call by reference. Once again I run this code and you see earlier we have a 1020, then inside this function we have a 1020, and after that also we have a 1020. That means this value has been changed. This is call by reference in Rust programming language. So this is a difference between call by value and call by reference. How you can implement this in Rust programming language? It's a very important concept for your exam purpose, for your interview purpose, and we have solved this. We have explained it how to do that in Rust programming language, and we have understand difference between ampersand and ampersand mute actual and formal parameter. You see that here we have the actual parameter, here we have the formal parameter. The difference between these we have explained with the help of example. I think you understand now what is call by value and call by reference implementation in Rust programming language. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.